Hello, welcome to the Artificial Intelligence and Security series session number 10. Here is our first question. Which is not a property of representation knowledge? Is it representational verification? Is it representational adequacy? Is it inferential adequacy, or it is inferential efficiency? The correct answer is representational verification. And for the reference, the diagrams given at the right side of the question. Let's see the second question. Which is not familiar connective in the first order logic? Is it and? Is it if? Is it or is it not? The correct answer is not, and the reference diagram can be seen right to the options and questions. Let's see the third questions. Interference algorithm is complete only if it can derive any sentence, or it can derive any sentence that is entitled version, or it is truth preserving, or it can derive any sentence that is entitled version and it is truth preserving. So the correct answer is option number D. So inference algorithm is complete only if it can derive any sentence that is an entitled version and it is truth perceiving, and the diagram for reference given right side of the options. Let's see the next question. A constructive approach in which no commitment is made unless it is necessary to do so is it least commitment approach? Is it most commitment approach? Is it non-linear planning, or is it opportunistic planning? So the correct answer is least commitment approach. So a constructive approach in which no commitment is made unless it is necessary to do so is called least commitment approach, and the diagram given right side of the options. This is for this session. We will see more in next session. Thank you so much.